The 38th participant in the Silva challenge is Charles from Charles Diecast Garage. I planned on actually getting this box together before today, but a lot's been going on at the house, including the heater going out, which fortunately is back going again. And so now that I'm not shivering, I'll try and do this. I really want to make this interesting for you, Charles, and I want it to be a fun box. I've been meaning to do a food truck in a post-apocalyptic theme for a while, and I just haven't got to it. And I've got a bunch of these little food trucks. So this is the Hot Wheels food truck. And so yeah, this one, I want to see what you do with it. And hopefully you give me some ideas for my build. Yeah, that's kind of cheating, huh? Tow truck. An old black wall tow truck. I got a bunch of these too laying around. And they're all kind of like this one, beat to heck and missing chunks. But they're a really nice base vehicle to work with. So let me throw that in there. I'm also going to try and squeeze as much in here as I can. So, the heck? Seared tuner Hot Wheels. Well, that's interesting because that looks, what did I just also see? Yeah, there's this one. This Hot Wheels. This one almost looks, what is it, Ferrari F40 based? But yeah, it's definitely not an F40. It doesn't look good enough to be a Ferrari. So it's a Ferrari wannabe, so take that. Tractor and tractor. One's an Erdl. The other one's a something made in China. The Erdl one looks like it's been chewed on by something. I'll give you this one. It's in a slightly better shape. Oh, there's another tractor. That's a Matchbox Ford. I'm going to give you the Matchbox Ford tractor. How's that? That just looks even better. What else is in here? What's that? A Mercedes-Benz 500 SL. Those wheels are terrible on that. It's a Hot Wheels. Yeah, that in a post-apocalyptic thing is kind of scary. Speaking of scary, what is it? It is a Hot Wheels something or other. Yeah. Well, I can tell you, I'm never going to do anything with that. So let's let you have at it and see what you come up with. Oh, here's an old Lomas ambulance made by Lesney. Missing. Can you see that in there? Can you see what appears to be blood? Kid painted blood on the bottom of an ambulance. That's just... Oh, it's even kind of broken up here. Yeah, it's cracked a little bit. Yeah, that's disturbing. That kid, I shouldn't say anything because very easily could have been something I would have done. It's slightly here. Let's just go with the classic. Here you go. I'll throw this in here while I'm at it. That way it gets us past the blood and gore section of the boxing. Back to that one. Oh, here we go. How about just a nice truck? Ford F-150 SVT Raptor by Maisto. That's just a nice looking pickup that you can take to the wastelands. There. That's nice and conservative. Not too wild. It's obviously a Hot Wheels bus of some kind. I'm not quite sure. Oh, this was attached to the top of the body. That's the post that's broken off. Yeah, what the heck. I'm sure you can find something to do. Oh, here's another piece of it, yeah. Here's a base to a Lesney Matchbox Series Mercedes coach. Yeah, you can figure out something to do with that. While we're on the Matchbox theme, what's this one? Matchbox Series number 4 steak truck with some steaks missing. Okay, this down here will be the Matchbox side of the box. I don't know that I've ever done that many. Oh, there's another Matchbox. Yeah, we're going with the Matchbox theme here. I think there's a broken off. Well, maybe. Yeah. There's a broken off tailgate or something to this delivery truck, and it is a Matchbox. This box is filling up fast. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yeah, made in Thailand, Mattel. I mean, it's obviously what? It's a Ford? Yeah, it's probably what? Like a Raptor? Gotta be. Yeah, that's a nice big... A big rig to throw. There's been a lot of talk about sharks. This is the combi shark that I just did a wheel swap on an old one that I had done, and so there's another part of a tractor. This must be the McDonald's tractor. Yeah, I'm being silly now. Okay. I think we're there, Charles. Ooh. Don't have the base for it. But ooh. I'm throwing that in there. You can do what you might with it. There's room for it, fortunately, just to drop in. I don't know. What do you think? Think that looks pretty good? Can you do something with that? Let me move this box out of the way. Get out the parts. I did print a bunch of guns and stuff the other day and rockets, so let's do that. One of the things with the FDM printer, particularly when the air is damp, is I need to print often because the line will dry out and crack if I don't. So I was printing some stuff. I have some more rafts that you've seen me mention, and I will be doing a quick tips video coming up, just basically saying, hey, you can use rafts for stuff. I used raft being the base when you 3D print with the FDM printers, and then the piece pops off of there. I'm going to do a quick tips video about using those rafts for, like, I used it for a solar panel on my Winter in the Wastelands build. Here's some skulls. I need to print skulls, but the weather is definitely not favoring that right now. Here's one of the cow catchers, and actually I can show you here when it prints like this on the raft, and this is on the plate that it's printing on, and then you tear it off. So you're getting both pieces in this shipment. Yeah, and I can tell I'm getting low on some pieces here, so I do need to print more for upcoming challenges. And yes, the challenges are still going to keep going and going. Let me drop a set of those 4 wheels in here. Those are nice, I like those. There's still quite a few people on the list, and if you'd like to get on the list, just shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to add you to the list. More guns. What else? Throw one of these fun, that's a purple one. Throw a purple skull in there. And, I don't know. I'm gonna throw a barrel in there. A barrel full of fun. How's that? There you go. And I think that's going to be it, Charles. So I'll be getting this out in the mail to you. I hope you have a lot of fun with this. I can't wait to see what you do with some of this stuff. There's a lot of weird junk in here, which makes me even happier. Anyhow, have a lot of fun with this. To everyone watching, I hope you enjoy this. And stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.